What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today is the day that we're taking beast mode back to the dyno to see how much horsepower he's going to make. So while I travel over there, y'all go ahead and watch the intro.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
Just like that, folks, we're at Abel's. Sorry for the lights, but here she is. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go for the second dyno pool. $795 on the first one. 800. Alright, YouTube, we made it back from the Abel Racing second trip or third trip to the dyno. As you can see, we had a little error at the end, but we still made it 800 horsepower. I honestly think that we could make about 850 if we didn't have that error with the dyno. Also, if we were on real E85 and not the winter stuff. So this will require another trip back to the dyno. Next month, or either in May, once they start putting the summer E85 in, and then we'll go from there and see how much horsepower we'll make. But I think that we're actually at right around 1,000 horsepower at the crank, which is not too shabby considering the cost of a Demon 170 versus a stock Hellcat, putting maybe $6 grand in it and getting the same power and saving $140,000 on a Demon 170. So, as always, until we go back to the dyno again or on to the next project, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for listening. Thank you for hanging out. As you saw, The wifey wanted to go see what the dyno looks like, so I took her down there. She had a blast. She enjoyed it, so I think she'll go back with us next time. If you would, do me a favor, hit the bell, hit the like button, and subscribe. We're close to 800 subscribers on this channel, which is pretty good. Not as good as some other ones, but we're getting there. I know that a lot of people are watching the channel because the algorithm tells me that, and it tells me that they come back and they repeatedly watch it. So why don't you just go ahead and subscribe? You're going to be here anyway. So thank you again from the bottom of our heart. Appreciate it. Till we get to you next time, much love. Peace.